Everyone thought the machine was finished.
Fire met steel inside the workshop. That's where true machines are born.
Oh my god, viewers, this niche is absolutely insane. And today, I'm back with a completely new viral idea using a 100% free tool. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create these highly engaging mechanical-style AI shorts that are getting millions of views right now. So without wasting any time, first of all, open YouTube and search for the channel called Rebuilt Tech. Now, viewers, after opening this channel, you can clearly see that this channel has only around 222k subscribers with just a small number of uploads. But the shocking thing is that the channel is already monetized and generating amazing monthly earnings. If we go into the Shorts section and check the most popular videos, you'll notice something crazy. One video has crossed more than 112 million views. Another has reached 1.9 million, and another one has crossed 1.3 million views. This is absolutely unbelievable for such a fresh and trending niche. That means the audience is loving this type of content, and if you start creating similar AI mechanical shorts consistently, your videos also have a huge chance to go viral. Now, viewers, what I want you to do is carefully analyze every single video uploaded on this channel one by one. So, viewers, after analyzing all the videos, now let's move toward the most important part of today's video, the master prompt. I have already created a highly detailed master prompt for you guys, and you'll find it inside my YouTube video description. Now, viewers, once you open the master prompt, read every section carefully one by one. Understand how the image prompts are written, how the video prompts are structured, and how the voice-over system works. I've already explained everything in complete detail inside the prompt itself. And again, you can easily download this master prompt directly from my YouTube description. So what I'm going to do now is simply copy the entire prompt, OpenAI ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, I'll paste the master prompt and click on the Generate button. Now, viewers, after waiting just a few seconds, you can see something absolutely amazing happening here. The AI has automatically generated multiple complete prompt sets for me. Prompt 1 includes image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover prompts. Prompt 2 also contains complete cinematic generation instructions. Prompt 3, Prompt 4, Prompt 5, all the way up to 7 fully detailed prompt packs are generated automatically. And every single prompt is written in a unique and highly engaging way. You can open them one by one, read them carefully, and use whichever style you like the most for your own videos. Now, after reading all the prompts carefully, simply copy the prompts you like the most. After copying them, I usually create a separate document file and save all my prompts there so everything stays organized and easy to access later. And now, viewers, we are finally moving toward the most exciting and most important step of today's tutorial, the free AI tool that we are going to use for generating both the images and the videos completely free. Now, I'm simply going to open the website called Flow AI, which is completely free, and today I'm also going to show you one of their newest tools that used to be paid but is now available for free. I'll click on New Project, and then I'll simply select the Nano Banana model. After selecting it, I'll paste my first image prompt and click on the Generate option. As you can see, viewers, I'm moving a little fast because I want to save your time, and now my very first image has started generating. Before moving further, I really want to show you the quality of these image prompts and how insanely realistic these AI images are turning out. And now, just after waiting a few seconds, boom. My very first image is finally ready. And honestly, viewers, this looks absolutely insane. Now what I'll do is simply copy my second prompt, paste it again, and click on Generate. You can already see that my second image has also started rendering. Now here you just need a little patience because high-quality cinematic results always take a few moments. And now, boom, my second image is also ready, and once again the result looks incredibly professional and dramatic. Now what I'm going to do is paste all the remaining prompts one by one. Prompt 4, Prompt 5, Prompt 6, and Prompt 7. As you can see, I've pasted all the prompts together, and all the image generations have now started simultaneously. And now, boom, all my images are finally ready. You can clearly see how dramatic, futuristic, and engaging every single scene looks. The exact mechanical cinematic vibe that we wanted has been generated perfectly. This niche is honestly one of the most exciting and trending niches right now. Now, viewers, I'm simply downloading all these images one by one in high quality, because in the next step we are going to move toward the video generation section. And yes, viewers, For video generation, I'm also going to use Flow AI, because Flow AI generates incredibly realistic mechanical videos with amazing cinematic movement and detail. So first of all, I'll select my image and drag it into the video section. Now viewers, I want to show you something very important here. You can see that the Omni Flash model is now unlocked. Earlier it was paid, but now it can also be used for free with credits. Yes, it uses a few more credits, for example, 25 credits for an 8-second video and around 20 credits for a 6-second video. For now, I'm testing the 6-second version because I want to check the result quality first. So I'll simply select Omni Flash, paste my cinematic video prompt, and click on Generate. And now viewers, my very first Omni Flash video has officially started generating. Again, this tool is completely free, you just need credits. Now let's wait a few seconds, and boom! Oh my god viewers, just look at this result. Flying racing vehicles, futuristic movement, cinematic camera angles, dramatic environments, everything looks absolutely next level. The realism of this mechanical scene is honestly unbelievable, and this is exactly the type of content that performs insanely well on YouTube Shorts. Now viewers, I'm going back and selecting my second image. But this time, for video generation, I'm going to use the model called Veo 3, Lite, because this is personally one of my favorite models. It generates amazing 8-second cinematic videos using very low credits. As you can see, my second image to video conversion has already started. Again, you just need a little patience while the AI processes everything. And now, boom. My second cinematic video is also ready. And viewers, just look at how amazingly Veo 3.1 Lite has created this scene. The movement, realism, and dramatic energy feel absolutely incredible. Now viewers, I'm selecting my third image, and once again I'll paste a cinematic prompt before clicking Generate. My third image to video conversion has now started. Again, wait a few moments, and boom. Oh my god viewers, this scene looks absolutely insane. The workers operating inside massive futuristic ocean machinery, the cinematic atmosphere, and the dramatic motion look unbelievably professional. Now viewers, I'll continue selecting more images and generating even more cinematic videos because honestly, Flow AI gives some of the best results for this niche, both for images and for videos. That's exactly why I strongly recommend using Flow AI specifically for this mechanical cinematic niche, because the realism and dramatic quality are simply unmatched. And now viewers, all my videos and images are finally ready. I'm simply downloading everything one by one, because now we are moving toward the final editing stage. So for editing, I'll simply open CapCut. After opening CapCut, I'll drag and import all my generated videos into the timeline one by one. Then, I'll arrange them properly in sequence so the story flows smoothly. If you want to remove the watermark or logo area, you can simply use the scale option to zoom slightly into the footage. And now viewers, my final video is completely ready. I'll simply export the video in high quality, and now you can finally see the full cinematic result on your screen. Honestly viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's brand new viral AI niche idea. And viewers, we'll meet again in the next video with another brand new viral AI idea.